Hello, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to use odd numbers to generate or to get perfect square numbers. Yes, it is possible. Now, let me make this little clarification here. There's a difference between a perfect square number and a perfect number. A perfect square number is a whole number that can be written as a product of an integer. So a number multiplying itself, what you get becomes a perfect square number. So that means that 0 is also a perfect square number because 0 is a whole number, right? Very good. Now, a perfect number, on the other hand, is a positive number that is equal to the sum of its proper factors. So, for example, a 6, the factors of 6 we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. When we sum them up, you get the same 6. So 6 becomes a perfect number. Now, let's boss on to what we have for today. So I said I'm going to use these odd numbers to generate perfect square numbers. Before I started, I indicated that 0 is also a perfect square number because if you have 0 multiplying itself 0, you get 0. So I'm going to start from 0 with a perfect square number. So the trick here is you take one odd number, you add it to what you have here. Okay, so this is 0. So if I add 1 to 0, you get 1. Okay, so the next one is 3. 3 plus this one, I'll get 4. Very well. The next one here is 5. If I'm to add 5 to this 4, that will give me 9. The next one is 7. If I add this 7 to this 9, it will give me 16. The next one is 16. I add this 9 to this 16, that is 25. The next one is 11. I take this 11, I give it to 25, it will give me 36. The next one is 13, okay? 13 plus 36, 13, I give it to 36, that will give me 49. Are you following? This is 15. I take 15, I add it to the 49, that also give me 64, right? Good. Now, the next one is 17. I take this 17, 17 plus 64, that is 81, okay? The next one is 19. 19, I take the 19, I add it to 81, that will give me 100. And this is 100. If I take 21 and I add it to 100, that will give me 121. And you can continue that and you have your perfect square numbers. And this is very easy. I have a new YouTube channel and that is MathLab GH. You can follow me for more educational content. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye-bye.